Good afternoon. Happy Thursday, beautiful people. Good afternoon. Afternoon na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 12:08 p.m. Pauwi pa lang si Mama. Hopefully your week is amazing. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope you're happy, you're healthy, you're having fun, you're enjoying life. Diba? So, ganun lang dapat yun, okay? Yeah, so anyhow, it's Tita here. As I have mentioned earlier, I am broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. And shout out sa aking mga followers diyan, mapabago at mapaluma man kayo. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so another week na naman. It's Thursday again. We are grateful. It's beautiful day po dito sa Ontario, Canada. It's 18 degrees and sunny. So grateful, amazing, amazing, amazing. So I was teaching this morning at the rooftop. So ayan, pugit-pugit na naman ako. And after that nagpagupit muna ako. Kaya ayan, tinanghali na naman si Mama. Ayan, pinaiksian ko ng konti ang aking hair. Diba? Kasi ang haba na, haba. Yeah, but anyhow, yeah, so pag-usapan natin ngayon ay ang aking padaming question ng mga ito. Yeah, so pag-usapan natin how much nga ba ang puhunan, ang investment. Ang dami kasi nagtatanong sa akin, how much do I have to invest to start this online business? Oh my God, masasya kayo guys. Kung talagang ganito yan, kung talagang kung kayo ay business minded, talagang to start this business is like next to nothing kung talagang business minded kayo, because let's face it, if you're going to start a business like a brick and mortar business, you have to invest thousands right, money, thousands of dollars before you can start the business. So depends kung ano man yung klaseng business mo, and then you have to hire people, you have to do all the licensing, and you have everything. So there are lots, like any business talaga, kahit online business. That's why I always say na napakadali na gawin ang negosyo na ito at napakamura ang investment. Kung ikaw ay business-minded na talagang alam mo kung paano mag-run ng business, because of course, before you can start a business, you have to find a place para maging visible yung business mo. Right? You have to have a website para makita ng mga tao kung ano yung negosyo mo, because kung hindi, edi sinong pupunta, di ba? Nowadays, ang online talaga, ang website talaga ang nakakapag-attract ng tao, kahit na anong business pa man ang gagawin mo. Any business, talagang dapat meron ka talagang website para ma-update mo ang mga tao kung saan ka, kung paano ka makahatak ng customer mo. Because if you don't have website, how are you gonna grow your business? Diba? Kahit anong business yan, online business man yan, traditional business man yan, you have to have a website para malaman ng mga tao kung anong klaseng negosyo na meron ka at para magkaroon ka ng customer. O, diba? So, very, very important yan. Now, so depende siguro if you are going to start a business, not to mention with all the headache, of course, first na doon yung licensing mo, and then yung place mo, yung staff mo, lahat yan, gagawin mo yan before pa man ang business mo ay magiging operational. Right? So mostly of the traditional business, hindi yan kikita, years yan bago kikita yan. So kaya siguro ang depende talaga yan. So pinakamababa mo sigurong gastusin for, depende o kung ano, gaano kalaki ang magiging traditional business mo, siguro mga 30, 50 up to $100,000 ang ilalabas mong pera na puhunan mo before pa man ang business mo magiging operational, magiging open. Dito sa online business po namin, you can start na kahit na wala pang 5,000. Tess, thank you for watching. You can start small. It depends because there are lots of options. But that's why if people ask me how much do I need to invest before I can start this business, it depends. Because we have a few options for you to start. You can start small, medium, large, whatever. Medium, large. But there's a lot of options. That's why it's very, very important for you to go into the next step, because that is where everything will be laid out to you. So that's why I always recommend to go to the next step, which is to pay that 100% refundable $149. So nothing to lose at all. Kung talagang if you are serious in looking for something or extra income, if you are serious in doing that, you won't hesitate to pay the $149 if you knew that it is refundable 100% within the 30 days period. Because ang kapalit niyan is peace of mind. Because you won't be thinking after, if you turn away and you say, okay, this business is not for me, at least you got all the information. You have peace of mind. You found out everything. The commission, the product, affiliate company, how you start, the options to start, everything. Everything is laid out to you. And then after that, then you have 30 days. If you think the business is not for you, you have 30 days to ask for the refund, and your $149 will be returned to you 100%. Walang kulang yan, walang dagdag. Diba? Because when you do that, when you pay the $149, the receipt will be emailed to you, so you have a proof na nagbayad ka. Hindi ito pipitsugin na business. Yung online business na ginagawa namin, hindi ito pipitsugin. So we have kung ano yung sinasabi namin, may integrity ang negosyo na ito. Now, when you proceed, let's say you pay the $149, and then you will start your own business. Anong makukuha mo doon sa $149? Anong kapalit doon? Is yung sales funnel mo. Sila ang magbibuild ng Budi, thank you for watching. Sila ang magbibuild ng website, yung email campaign mo, yung automated system mo. $149, that's nothing. That one alone, the system alone, will cost you thousands of dollars, probably at least $15,000 if you are going to do it on your own. Pero dito po sa negosyo na ginagawa namin, yung $149 mo, yan na po iyon. So yung website mo, yung email campaign, yung automated system, yung mentorship, yung training site, all of the above, na andyan na. So basically, you are all set up. All the tools are already provided for you for just $149 should you start the business. So saan kayo makakakita noon? No. You won't say any company that will provide you with website, with email campaign, with training site, with mentorship, and all of those for just $149. You will never find it. And on top of that, our products are medical grade. There are millions of people that are using our products na hindi nga nagninegosyo. Gloria, thank you for watching. Na hindi nagninegosyo. So you have nothing to lose at all. It's win-win. Because the product, you can use the product, it's good for your health, it's good for your family. As I mentioned earlier, tons of people, millions of people are using our products na hindi talagang binibili lang yung products because it is medical grade, it's good for the health and everything. So if you really think about it, you have nothing to lose at all. So that's why I'm very blessed na natagpuan ko ang negosyo na ito. Hindi lang ito nakatulong for our health, hindi lang ito nakatulong for hello po, shout out. Hello, Budi. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so it's good for our health, it's good for my finances, it's good for my mental health. a lot of things have been na-improve talaga sa akin since I started doing this business. Hindi lang talaga, we are not talking about just money here. We're talking about growth, personal growth, helping others. We're talking about health. We're talking about giving back to the community. There are lots, so many. So if you are someone that is like, you know, like willing to move forward, to step up and to grow your finances, your health, your personality, it's all in one package in this business. That's what I found. So talagang pag sinabi namin na we found a gold mine in this business, because not to mention nobody pays as much as we as our affiliate company. Nobody will pay you as much as we have dito sa business namin. No commission. Mantakin mo yan, isang transaction lang dito kikita kami ng up to 6,000 Canadian dollars. Saan ka makakakita yan? Isang transaction mo lang yan. Diba? Drive safe po. Thank you, Buddy. Thank you. Yes, hindi mo makikita ito sa iba. The system, the affiliate company, the products, the mentorship, the community, na andyan na lahat. It's all in one package. So, yeah, so what I would say is that kung kayo ay open-minded, yun lang talaga. Yun ang pinakapuhunan natin in anything that we do in life. Kung tayo ay open-minded, tayo ay open na mag-grow, tayo ay open na mag-learn new skills, yan ang pinakasusi natin sa buhay. I'm not talking only about online business. I'm talking about life in general. Kasi kung kahit saan ka pa, if you are not willing to help, if you are not willing to go above and beyond kung ano man ang ginagawa mo ngayon, you will be stuck in one spot. Kung hindi ka willing na mag-improve sa buhay mo, kasi kung ano yung nalalaman mo 3 years ago, 5 years ago, it's not applicable now. Nag-i-evolve ang paligid natin, nag-i-evolve nag-i-evolve dapat tayo, because yun ang sorry guys, ambulance, have to move over. Yes, okay, awesome. Hopefully someone is safe. Yeah, so anyhow, yeah, so in any area of your life, kung hindi ka open na i-improve mo yan, mapag-iwanan ka. Yes, mapag-iwanan ka. So anyhow, circle back doon sa caption ko, kung ano ba talaga, kung how much ba ang investment. I could not tell you because I don't know where you want to start. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto mong umpisahan. That's why it's JV, thank you for watching. That's why it's very, very important to take the next step para ikaw mismo ang makakita, ikaw mismo ang mag-decide kung saan ka mag-uumpisa. Mag-uumpisa ka ba ng small one? Mag-uumpisa ka ba ng middle one? Mag-uumpisa ka ba ng high package one? So, yes, so there are multiple options to start. So that's why I could not tell you where you want to start. It has to be, no, thank you for watching. It has to be you who will decide how you want to start. Right? So that's why it's very important na mag-take doon sa next step. So anyhow, I hope it makes sense, guys. And thank you again. Ang dami nyo. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat. Guys, I appreciate you very much doon sa mga comment nyo, sa mga pag-share nyo sa mga post ko. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. But anyhow, hindi na ako magtatagal. I am close na naman dito sa dead spot. Baka mawala tayo, hindi ko kayo kinik out. Mawawalan ako ng signal. But anyhow, thank you again. Enjoy the rest of your week and take care. God bless. And of course, if you want to learn more, by the way, about my business, ang website ko po ay nasa aking business page. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then our system na po ang magpapadala sa inyo ng information. See how easy it is? Although nanggagaling sa akin yung email, but I am not the one who made it. It's our system. So that's how easy it is. Once your system, you just have to have the patience to set up at the first. Thank you sa mga hearts, Dian, baby. Thank you sa mga thumbs up. You just have the patience to set up your business. After that, okay na. Plug in na lang. And again, we are here to guide you. So, anyhow, thank you again. Maraming salamat sa mga hearts at sa mga thumbs up diyan. Thank you, guys. Ingat din. I appreciate your na sinasamahan nyo ako. Thank you. So, God bless po. Yes, likewise. God bless. Yes, so anyhow, take care, guys. And God bless. Thank you.